Drink more water, and your skin will magically glow. No acne, no wrinkles, just hydration. But is that real biology, or is it just one of the biggest skin myths online? Today, we're testing what really happens when you drink 2 extra liters of water a day and how your skin actually responds. Think of your skin like this. Dehydrated skin behaves like a raisin. Hydrated skin acts more like a grape. Water improves skin elasticity, meaning your skin snaps back faster. Research supports this effect, but only if you were dehydrated before. If you were already hydrated, extra water won't boost glow. Your body simply gets rid of it. More is not always better. Myth 1. Water flushes acne. Reality: kidneys remove toxins, not your skin pores. Dehydration thickens skin oil. Hydration helps oil flow better, but water won't cure acne. Myth 2. Water replaces moisturizer. They work on different layers. Water hydrates from inside, moisturizer seals from outside. Think of skin like a bucket. Moisturizer plugs the leak. That leak is water loss. Without it, skin dries out. You need both, not one or the other. That's how skin stays healthy. So here's the truth. Water improves elasticity and skin structure, but not wrinkles, not hormonal acne. Drink water for organs, protect skin from outside. That's the real formula. No magic cures, just science. Now, be honest, how much water do you drink? Dry skin or oily skin? Tell us in the comments. Follow for real skin science.